everyone, welcome to a new video. So today I'm back and I'm going to do a mini mail time. I've opened 2 gifts, but I noticed that my screen wasn't recording. So this was the hair and this was the dress. So yeah. And big shout out to A, space R, space I, space equals, space 8, space 5, space 4 for these gifts. Moving on. Sweet lace doll. That's a cute skirt. Can't really see it because the dress covering it. Denim niceness. That's pretty. I like denim stuff. It looks really weird. Flower gorgeous. Some nice earrings. Oh my. Didn't think she sent all this. Girl Squad. Ooh, that's a cute belly top. Strappy. That's a nice grey colour. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking. Some nice jeans. Very blue. Some leggings. I think from the how to design your character, but that's fine. Tie it. Well, I think I have something like that, and it's really, really cute. Okay, Supreme Wolf 7. Free to be me. And last but not least, Aiming High. So, yes, that is all the gifts I have received. I'm going to be trading and comment down below some offers. I'm looking for a level 8 or level 9 account. I don't know why level 8 or level 9. I don't want it to be level 10 because I want it to be not near 12 and then not too low. So yeah, 9 or 8 is good for me. So yes, I kind of look like a weirdo, so I'll be back when I have made my outfit. So I've made my outfit and I've just requested her to be my best friend and she has gave me more gifts. So yes, let's open these. So shiny. I'm not going to wear it because I've already just made an outfit. And Chunky Chunk. So yes, you don't have to give me a page of gifts. You don't have to give me 1 gift. You don't have to give me 2 gifts. But it'll be very appreciative if you give me gifts. So yes, thank you for watching. And thank you so much. RA equals 854. Greet her and do whatever you want. Give her gifts and stuff. And yes, this should just you don't have to videotape. So I'm just gonna be really, really nice to her. I'm gonna. Oh, what is this? Let's just see because it's Royal Highness. Oh, she doesn't want to give me. I know it's a bit newbie, but it's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna tell her stop. I don't know how to pay you back, Steve. So yes, thank you for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on that bell. So yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.